You've got two offers on your house. One for max value at $200,000, but it's an FHA buyer and they want a 60-day close. Another for $170,000, but they're willing to pay cash and close in a week with no inspection or appraisal. Which one do you go with? Stay tuned to find out the top 4 reasons you may want to consider following the cold hard cash. Hi guys. We bought and sold over 20 houses the past 12 months, with most of them being cash purchases. So we know a little bit about the power of a cash offer. Cash is king. You've heard that expression before, and it couldn't hold any more truth than in the case of real estate. If you're looking to sell your Chicago, Illinois house, or anywhere else for that matter, the quickest, simplest, and least amount of headaches will be with a cash sale. Even for us, we had our very first house that just wouldn't sell. It sat on the market, then it sat some more. It was contingent a few times with bank finance offers, but the sale fell through 4 times. At the very beginning, when we listed the house to sell, we had a lowball cash offer. At the time, we scoffed at the offer. It was $30,000 below asking price. We were confident the house was pristine, looked amazing, and it would be a quick sale. All told, we held the property for way too long, had a ton of holding costs and maintenance on the property, and lost an absurd amount of money. If we just accepted the cash offer initially, we would have been out with a small but quick profit. When you list your property with a real estate agent, occasionally cash offers will come along. But the quickest way to attract cash buyers is selling your house off market to investors. Here's the top 4 reasons to consider selling your house for cash in Chicago, Illinois. Number 1. Avoid the annoying fees. The real estate agent fees, as well as other random fees they will nab you with at the end, can all be avoided if you sell off market. Number 2. Speed. There is no quicker way to get rid of your house than with an all-cash transaction from the start. Number 3. Actually close. The amount of time a sale falls through the traditional route continues to rise. Fail rates have been going up since 2014, with it doubling from 2015 to 2016. Number 4, don't fix anything. When you sell the traditional route, the buyer gets an inspection. Then they request items for you to fix, and if you say no, you risk them walking away for good. Cash buyers know what they're getting into. Some cash buyers also pass on the appraisal, which can be another big setback. All things being equal, it's a no-brainer that a cash offer is the best. But how much are you willing to sacrifice for the convenience of a cash offer? No one can tell you what's right for you, but here's a few factors to consider. Holding costs if you don't sell? Is your house causing you a headache and stress? Can you not move on with your life until this is sold? Is it vacant and every day you're risking vandalism or pipes bursting while you're not there? There's too many factors to name them all, but the process of selling a house for cash is rather simple. There are advantages and disadvantages of cash sales, but the benefits of a cash offer on a house should not be overlooked next time you're looking to sell your house. If you're interested in going the route of a cash sale, we here at Windy City Solutions are Chicago's quickest cash buyers, and we'd like a chance to earn your business.